Redeemers Group is offering permanent solutions to people's real-world problems where most people are guessing in the contracting world. We're specialists. We have a very limited focus, just foundation, basement, crawl space repairs, and then concrete leveling. We're all out to help each other do better and learn from, what one design specialist experiences on another job will be presented to the rest of them if it's a unique situation, and one, will collectively come up with the right solution, but two, we'll learn from that and know the best way to handle things in the future. So, I do have some true friends on the team at this point, and we come from a wide variety of backgrounds, but the fact of the matter is we're all there to, once again, just help our customers with real solutions to their problems. It's the flexibility that I have to still take care of my kids, the team members that I work with. We really are a team. I've got some really great friends within the company. And the fact that we are growing by leaps and bounds every year and doing better and better work every single day, every week. And I just continue to get to meet new people and help new people every day. When others are guessing at what to do about all of these issues, we actually have specifically designed solutions that will solve the problem. And I can speak to that coming from a general contracting background over a decade in the area. Most people don't understand how to fix these problems. And the vast majority, or quite a few of our customers we talk to, and they've already hired somebody that has guessed at it and either not affected it at all or, in worst case scenarios, made things worse. So the fact is, we know what we're doing, and we are experts in this field, and we, the accolades, are easily found, from Angie's List to Better Business Bureau and Memphis Business Journal. We're obviously doing good work, and we're affecting lives every day.